Ever wondered why email marketing is crucial for your business? Picture this: you've just crafted the perfect product or service. It's innovative, unique, and most importantly, it's ready to share with the world. But how do you reach your potential customers? That's where email marketing comes in. Email marketing, in its simplest form, is using email to promote your products or services. But it goes beyond that. It's a powerful way to connect with your customers, build relationships, and ultimately drive growth for your business. Now, you might be thinking, why should I use email marketing when there are so many other marketing strategies out there? Well, let's break it down. First, email marketing is cost effective. Unlike traditional marketing methods which can rack up hefty bills, email marketing requires minimal investment. With just a small budget, you can reach thousands, if not millions, of potential customers. Second, email marketing allows you to reach a global audience. No matter where your customers are in the world, an email can reach them. Whether you're a local coffee shop looking to expand or a multinational corporation, email marketing breaks down geographical barriers. Third, email marketing offers a personalized approach. Each email you send can be tailored to the recipient's interests, behaviors, and preferences. This personal touch makes your customers feel valued and understood, which in turn increases engagement and loyalty. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of email marketing is its ability to build relationships. With each email, you're not just promoting your product or service, you're establishing a connection, starting a conversation, and building a relationship with your customer. And it's these relationships that drive business growth. When customers feel connected to a brand, they're more likely to make a purchase, remain loyal, and even recommend the brand to others. Now that you understand the power of email marketing, let's dive into how to set it up. First things first, you need to create your email list. Starting off on the right foot is crucial in email marketing, and that means building an email list. This isn't a process of snatching up every email address you can find. No, it's about collecting them ethically and legally. So, how do you go about it? One of the most straightforward methods is through opt-in forms on your website. These are the little boxes that pop up asking visitors to subscribe to your newsletter or updates. It's like extending an invitation to keep in touch. Another avenue for collecting emails is through social media campaigns. You can host a giveaway, a quiz, or a contest and ask your followers to participate by providing their email addresses. Just remember to make sure that participants are aware they are subscribing to your email list. Offline methods can also be effective, particularly for local businesses. Think about asking for email addresses at the point of sale or during trade shows and networking events. People often appreciate the personal touch, and it gives you the opportunity to explain the benefits they'll receive from subscribing to your list. Remember, transparency is key when collecting email addresses. Always let people know why you're asking for their email, how often they can expect to hear from you, and reassure them that their data is safe with you. It's not just about complying with laws, it's about building trust with your audience. One last point to note, quality over quantity always wins in the game of email marketing. It's better to have 100 subscribers who are genuinely interested in your business than 1,000 who won't even open your emails. So take the time to build your list thoughtfully and ethically. It's the foundation of your email marketing strategy, and a strong foundation leads to lasting success. With your email list ready, it's time to move to the next step. Choosing the right platform is a crucial step in your email marketing journey. Think of your email marketing platform as a vehicle. It's the machine that will carry your message to your audience. So it's essential to choose one that fits your needs and goals. There are several factors to consider when choosing an email marketing platform. It's not just about picking the one with the most bells and whistles. It's about finding the right balance of features, ease of use, and budget. Let's start with ease of use. You want a platform that's intuitive and user-friendly. After all, time is of the essence in business. If you're spending hours trying to figure out how to send an email, that's time you're not spending on other important aspects of your business. Look for a platform that offers a streamlined interface and easy to understand tools. Next, consider your budget. There are plenty of platforms out there that offer a range of pricing options. Some are free, some charge a monthly fee, and others base their pricing on the size of your email list. It's important to find a platform that fits within your budget, but don't let price be your only deciding factor. Now, let's talk about automation features. These are the tools that allow you to set up automatic emails, segment your audience, and track your results. Automation can save you a lot of time and help you target your emails more effectively. Look for a platform that offers robust automation features, but make sure these tools are easy to use and understand. Finally, consider the level of customer support the platform offers. Even the most intuitive platform can have its hiccups, and when that happens, you want to know there's someone you can turn to for help. Look for a platform that offers 24/7 support, or at least has a reputation for responsive, helpful customer service. Once you've chosen your platform, you're ready to create your campaign. Creating an effective email marketing campaign involves a few key steps. The first step is setting goals. What do you want to achieve with your campaign? Is it to increase brand awareness, drive sales, or maybe to nurture relationships with your existing customers? Having a clear goal in mind will guide your strategy and help you measure success. Once you've set your goals, it's time to segment your audience. Not all your customers are the same, and they shouldn't be treated as such. By segmenting your audience, you can tailor your messaging to meet the unique needs and wants of different groups. This could be as simple as dividing your audience by age, or as complex as segmenting based on past purchasing behavior. The key is to make your emails as relevant as possible to each recipient. Next, we move on to creating engaging content. This is where your creativity comes into play. Your emails should not only be informative, but also entertaining and engaging. Use compelling subject lines to grab your audience's attention. Keep your emails concise, but don't forget to include a clear call to action. Remember, every email is an opportunity to connect with your audience, so make it count. Finally, you need to schedule your emails. Timing is everything in email marketing. You need to find the sweet spot when your audience is most likely to open and engage with your emails. This could be first thing in the morning or maybe in the evening after work. Test different times and days to see what works best for your audience. And there you have it, the process of crafting an email marketing campaign. It might seem daunting at first, but with a clear plan and a bit of creativity, you can create a campaign that not only achieves your business goals, but also resonates with your audience. Remember, the goal is to create a campaign that resonates with your audience. Finally, it's vital to measure the success of your email marketing campaign. But how do you do that? Well, it's all about the metrics, those numbers that tell the story of your campaign. These are not just random figures, but the pulse of your email marketing efforts. Let's start with the open rate. This is the percentage of recipients who open your email. It's a simple yet powerful metric. If your open rate is high, it means your subject lines are engaging and your audience is interested. But if it's low, it might be time to get creative and try a new approach. Next, we have the click-through rate, or CTR for short. This is the proportion of email recipients who clicked on one or more links contained in a given email. The CTR is a direct measure of how many people found your content compelling enough to take action. A high click-through rate means your message is resonating with your audience and they're eager to learn more. Lastly, we have conversion rates. This metric tells you how many of those clicks turned into a desired action, such as a purchase or a sign-up. The higher your conversion rate, the more effective your email marketing is at driving real business results. Each of these metrics offers a unique insight into your campaign's performance. By tracking them, you can see what's working, what's not, and make data-driven decisions to improve future campaigns. For instance, if your open rates are low, you might want to experiment with different subject lines. If your click-through rates are lacking, maybe your content needs a boost. Remember, these numbers aren't just about measuring success, they're about learning and improving. They show you where you're doing well and where there's room for growth. So don't be afraid to dive deep into your metrics and get to know your audience better. Measuring your success is the key to improving and growing your business through email marketing. It's about understanding your audience, refining your message, and continually striving for better results. So keep an eye on those metrics and remember, every number tells a story.